What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Sndl stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very top and I've told you that most likely we should hit lower targets, and as you can see we have very good movement to the downside. This asset lost about 22% of its value during just 5 sessions. And it was 100% predictable because we had a huge level of RSI. As you can see on hourly time frame it was on 91 points. On 2 hours time frame, let me switch. On 2 hours time frame we also have 91.5. 3 and 4 hours are exactly the same, more than 90 points of RSI. And definitely this shows the overbought signal, and this means we might have some kind of retracement. And the main reason why we had this massive movement in price is the potential legalization of marijuana in the United States. And definitely for now this news is still in play because we don't have, during the entire week, we don't have any news related to this legalization from the Senate, and definitely we might see it today or even on Monday. So, and the second news definitely was the anticipation of their earnings report, and unfortunately it also was delayed. So let me show you the real news for now that was published just less than an hour ago. And it says, Sundial plus Alcana. We are now the largest private sector cannabis and liquor retailer in Canada. Read more in our latest press release here. And let me quote you this press release. Sundial is pleased to announce the completion of the previously disclosed acquisition of all of the issued and outstanding common shares of Alcana Incorporated, pursuant to a plan of arrangement for total consideration of approximately $320 million, consisting of cash and common shares of Sundial. Alcana is one of the largest private sector retailers of alcohol in North America and largest in Canada by number of stores, operating locations in Alberta and British Columbia. Alcana's majority-owned subsidiary Nova Cannabis also owns or operates a total of 78 cannabis retail stores in Alberta, Saskatchewan and Ontario. And let me quote you some transaction highlights. Improved cash flow profile with expansion into liquor retail. Improved revenue profile with the largest private cannabis retail network in Canada. Increased optionality with majority ownership of Nova, a publicly listed pure-play private cannabis retail operator. Synergies from a larger retail operation and a strengthened leadership team. And I have to say that because of this news, we have the biggest manufacturer of cannabis in Canada. And let me quote you Mr. Zach George, Chief Executive Officer of Sundial. And he said, "This is an exciting day for Sundial as we become a stronger and more capable regulated products platform. We are developing a business model that has never existed at this scale in Canada and are committed to continuously improving our business while delighting consumers." And definitely this acquisition might have a very good long-term impact on Sundial company, but for now I have to say that we don't have any major spikes in price because of this news, and that's why, in my opinion, the market is waiting something else. First of all, we have a delay in their earnings report, and on March 28 they posted this. The company also announced a delay in filing its audit consolidated financial statements for the year ended December 31, 2021, annual management discussion and analysis for the same period, and management certifications of annual filings beyond the deadline of March 31, 2022, prescribed by Canadian securities laws. Sundial expects to file its annual report on Form 20F within applicable US filing deadline. The company now expects to report fourth quarter and full year 2021 earnings on or before April 14th, 2022. Updated conference call details will be provided in a subsequent announcement. So definitely, without their earnings report, we cannot project any major milestones and any major news related to this asset. And definitely that is why we have this decrease in price. And for now, we have the lowest point of the retracement at this very range when we hit this support/resistance. And previously, we had several touches of this range as a resistance and support. And for now, we also hit this range. So, and let's continue with the main news that everybody is anticipating right now. We are on a marijuana moment, and this article was published just 9 hours ago, and it says House formally advances federal marijuana legalization bill for floor vote with price from Pelosi. And let me quote you this. The US House of Representatives on Thursday approved the final rule to advance a bill to federally legalize marijuana to a floor vote, which is expected to happen on Friday. Members on both sides of aisle were given the chance to debate the final rule for the process to consider the Marijuana Opportunity, Reinvestment and Expungement Act that was approved by the House of Rules Committee on Wednesday. And let me quote you this. The House is acting again this week to urge the Senate to finally pass meaningful cannabis reform legislation. Perlmutter said, adding that the House has passed his more incremental marijuana banking reform bill 6 times without seeing action in the opposite chamber. The House will pass the MORE Act this week, he said. It is clear that Congress needs to reform our broken cannabis laws to better respond to the 47 states across the country who have legalized some level of marijuana use. And definitely this legalization will be the major catalyst for entire industry, and definitely it will push the price of Sndl even higher if it will be approved. But for now we don't have this news, and for now we cannot rely on a positive manner on this news at all, and that is why for now we have to be very cautious. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I don't need this tool for now, and let me show you that from this bottom to this top we can pull the Fibonacci retracement tool in order to measure some levels that we might hit on this retracement. As you can see, we had a very good reaction from 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. We have several touches right here. Then we broke it and bounced back. Then we touched this range of 0.236 as a resistance and went lower. And for now, we are hovering pretty much in the confluence range of 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level and this range of support that I marked previously at the price point of roughly 69 cents. And definitely, without major news, without their earnings report and without the legalization itself, we will see lower price action, and I'm pretty sure about this. But if today we will see some good announcements from Senate, definitely we will have a next spike in price of this stock and we will hit higher targets. So what should you do if you want to enter the position with this asset? First of all, do your own due diligence, and if you want to enter your long-term investment position with this asset, just accumulate on every daily red candle, because for now the ranges of below 70 cents is a very attractive average price in general for this asset. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. I will do another update in a matter of just several days when we will see some pivot points of the price action in order to project some targets. But for now, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.